Let's make a Kraken Espresso Martini. To make this drink, we are going to start with our coffee. I'm going to put in 1 shot, which is 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters of my high brew double espresso cold brew coffee. Then 1 ounce of San Bernabe sweet vermouth. You don't have to use San Bernabe. This is a bottle that my friends Jen and Xavier brought with them home from Spain for me. So I'm going to use it. It's great in Manhattan's. It's going to be great in here too, if you can drink coffee. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Sweet vermouth. And 2 parts, 2 ounces, 60 milliliters of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Official glass, I assume, is going to be a cocktail glass because it's a martini, and they specify double straining, so I'm going to do that. And there you have it. No garnish, because they don't specify a garnish. Kraken Espresso Martini. Drink with good spirits.